like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace, even in the trials. Your eyes a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name in this eternal dance. Our souls aflame, with every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find my sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share, in your arms I know that I belong. I care as the world spins and time flies by. With you, my love, forever I'll be by. In this symphony of love, you are my favorite tune. Forever and always under the same moon. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way.
In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony begins. In this timeless tale, where our hearts begin to spin, through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather, ever true and warm. So let the winds carry our love's sweet refrain, in this cinematic song where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat our souls entwine, in this epic love story, yours and mine. Through the valleys deep and mountains high, we'll walk hand in hand, beneath the midday sky. In every lens unfolds, where love's boundless journey forever holds. With every word we script our destiny, this grand adventure where love sets us free. Through every tear, through every smile, our love will conquer every trial. So let the winds carry us journey forever holds. With every word we script our destiny, in this grand adventure where love sets us free. Through every tear, through every smile, our love will conquer every trial. So
In the stillness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace, even in the trials. Your eyes a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love of love. Every heartbeat sings your name in this eternal dance. Our souls aflame with every breath. I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share, in your arms I know that I belong. I care as the world spins and time flies by. With you, my love, forever I'll be by. In this symphony of love, you are my favorite tune, forever and always. Under the same moon, hand in hand, we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every scene. The hush of twilight where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony